Alright, good evening everyone. SirSniperJim here from the 643 Box Break site. Quick buy it now on release day of 11/12 Dominion. Pretty nice product. The cards coming out are very nice, and getting 8 cards per box, very nice cards, well worth the money. So it's now September 29th, 1:52 a.m. here Eastern Standard Time. So we'll just quickly run through these teams, and then we'll break open our box. So Anaheim and Boston, Sean, 1989-77. Elk Killer has the Buffalo Sabres. Zach Laurie, Calgary. Mogwai, Carolina. Ask Piper, Chicago and Columbus. CM Punk grabbed Colorado. Teeks, Dallas. Sean, Detroit. Bruins 13, the Oilers. DJ Nell's mom, Florida. Linda grabbed LA. Subterfuge, Montreal. Teeks, Minnesota. Blue Nose, Nashville. El Donko, New Jersey. Blue Nose, the Islanders. Aeronome 2, the Rangers. CM Punk, Ottawa. Zach Laurie, Phoenix. Flyers Takedown, Philadelphia. Mogwai, Pittsburgh. St. Louis is actually DJ Nell's mom. She bought St. Louis with the last team. Thanks for closing it out, Aaron. Linda Scout, San Jose. Crunch 38, welcome back. Grab Tampa. Subterfuge, Toronto. Shane Dog, 2K12, Vancouver. Elk Killer, Washington, and Dubs 88, Winnipeg Jets. Alright guys, box number as stated in the description, 189815856. Alright, good luck guys. These tins are actually a pain to get out. There's our tin guys. No boxes this year. They go with the tin style like the cup. And you get the pack. Alright, good luck guys. Ooh, we got another booklet. We start with a base for the Edmonton Oilers and Bruins 13, Taylor Hall, numbered 39 out of 199. Going to Bruins 13. Got a nice Peerless Patches. And this going to Mogwai and the Carolina Hurricanes. It's a Hartford Whalers, Ron Francis, numbered 6 of 25. Nice hit for you, Mogwai. For the New Jersey Devils, numbered 51 out of 60, we've got horizontal patch of Adam Henrique, patch auto. And New Jersey is El Donko. For the Pittsburgh Penguins, we've got a rookie patch auto numbered 159 out of 199, Simon Dupré. And Pittsburgh is also Mogwai. Couple hits for Mogwai in this break. Ooh, our next card is quite nice. Got a stick side signatures, numbered 8 of 25. For the Boston Bruins and Sean 1989-77, Cam Neely. Yeah, I believe his jersey number was 8. Card number 8 of 25, so it is. Nice hit for you, Sean. We'll hold the booklet to the end. And we continue with the Adam Henrique hits. This is number 15 of 25, Mammoth Prime swatch of Adam Henrique for the New Jersey Devils. So Aldonko with a couple hits. And we have a base for the Nashville Predators, numbered 163 out of 199, Shea Weber. And Nashville is Blue Nose. And got our 2 fillers and our booklet. So our booklet is one that we'll have to random off. Crazy Eights. We got the San Jose Sharks. Joe Thornton. We got Jerome McGinley for the Flames, Patrick Marleau for the Sharks, Patrice Bergeron, Boston, Jonathan Toews, Drew Doughty, Dan Boyle, and Martin Brodeur. So the Sharks have 3 players in it. Alright guys, so I'm going to have to get the randomizer started for that one. So I'll just stop recording for a sec, get the randomizer set up, and then we'll also pick our 2 chips for bonus box break number 12. So I'll be back in just one sec so I can get random org up and going.